We're going to talk about the influence of long-term crop management on wheat density and diversity across 3 agroecological zones of Zimbabwe. Our problem is that in smallholder farming areas, there are low maize yields, and these are a consequence of low soil fertility and frequent droughts. And in addition, we have got weed species which are promoted by these factors and cause intense weed competition, especially at 2 and 6 weeks. And it is at this period where farmers are supposed to come in weed, but due to labor bottlenecks, they are not able to do so. In addition, we also have parasitic weeds which are upregulated by low soil fertility conditions. The key drivers of weed density and diversity in these environments is mainly crop management, which interacts with the agroecological factors such as soil type, rainfall, and temperature. The crop management can actually cause seed deposits into the seed bank or seed withdrawals. Our first hypothesis is that the interaction of crop management and the agroecological factors are responsible for the weed density and diversity which we find in the farmers' fields. The second hypothesis is that there should be a crop management system which should encourage seed withdrawals, reduce weed seed bank, weed density, and promote maize crop yields. The main objective is to determine the influence of long-term crop management on weed density and diversity. The specific objectives, the first one is to determine the effect of soil type and the crop management practices on weed density and diversity. We will achieve this through a weed survey. The second objective is to determine the effect of crop management strategies on crop yield, weed density, weed diversity, and weed seed rain through agronomic. We are going to do agronomic trials. The third one is to determine weed phenology and seed production of 8 important weed species. And we need to determine the weed distribution of at least 2 dominant weed species using a map. The expected output is that we should be able to come up with an integrated crop management strategy which can lower weed density below the threshold level during the critical period of weeding, and therefore can release labor during labor bottlenecks, resulting in sustainable crop yields across these agroecological zones. We also want to generate information which can modify policies which are targeted at sustainable crop production aimed at achieving food security at household level. We also wanted to produce a DPhil thesis and 2 publications. Thank you.